Hi everyone, it's Happymailqueen. I'm here today to share some more Merry gifts from my friends. I had the opportunity to meet with Civ today, and luckily my friend Paper Sweets, you guys know her, Sophia, was able to join us later on. And anyway, I'm just going to go ahead and dive in because she sent me a few things, and it's so sweet of her. First of all, she had things packaged in such cute wrapping paper, and she went a little crazy with unicorns. She said she's been getting some Christmas wrapping paper that is unicorn themed, and look at this. Is this not gorgeous? I've not even seen this unicorn paper wrapping, but oh my gosh, so cute, and I love the colors. So she wrapped, let's see, I've already opened everything, of course, in front of her. So one of the things that she gifted me were these graphic 45 papers, which she said she found at Tuesday Morning. So this is from the 'Twas the Night Before Christmas collection, and she gifted me several of these, and look how pretty they are for Christmas, right? So thank you so much, Civ, for sharing some of these papers with me. I love it. And this will go well with I have the graphic 45 12 Days of Christmas, I believe, which is from a few years ago, that I kind of put in my hoard vault. She also gifted me, this is the 'Twas the Night Before Christmas also, I think, sticker sheet, which, oh my gosh, there are several sheets in here. So thank you so much, Civ. This is gonna be so fun to work with, and of course it's vintage style, so I can't wait to do something with this. And again, this is an older graphic 45 collection, I believe. I'm not sure what year this came, I mean when this was released, but I definitely don't have it, so thank you so much. And then here is another collection, which is from St. Nicholas, and this is the Patterns and Solids, and as you can see here, let me see, I'll do like a really quick flip through. It's double-sided, and it's just beautiful, and it's perfect for making pillow boxes, tags, you know, things that you have to make a few of, you know, during the holidays for coworkers and things like that. So this is perfect, and this will coordinate with other Christmas papers. So thank you so much for that, Civ. And then she had gifted me, oh goodness, let me just show you some of the packaging, because I already took them out, of course, of the packaging. And here's another unicorn packaging that she wrapped my gifts in, and she put my name and thickers. And then, and how adorable is this? So she said she got this at TJ Maxx, and after our lunch, we went to TJ Maxx, she and I. Sophia couldn't go with us, but we went to TJ Maxx because there just happened to be a TJ Maxx in the same plaza, but I couldn't find this one. But I did find something similar, and just to let you know, Christmas stuff at TJ Maxx, they're all 50% off. So I did take advantage, and I got a couple of wrapping papers, Christmas wrapping papers. So, and I'll do a separate haul, separate video for that one. Okay, so moving along, she gifted me some stickers from American Crafts. And look at this, you guys. Perfect for Valentine's Day. Oh my goodness. She also gifted me some papers that she thought would be great for Valentine's. And this is the Aria's Garden, which I have some of this collection. I don't remember if can't remember if I have the 6x6 because my friend Tara, I think, gifted me some from this collection as well, but it's so pretty. And I love Bo Bunny, and Civ knows that. She gave me some shimmer paper from DCWV. Look at that. And I do not have this. I haven't been able to go to Tuesday morning, you guys, for a while. And so thank you so much for that. I'm telling you, my friends are the best. So even though I can't get to Tuesday morning, I still somehow get stuff from Tuesday morning because they're gifted to me. And look at her packaging, you guys. This is also using the Bo Bunny papers from that same collection, the Aria Garden. And she made some policy envelopes, but she used the Velcro. And she had gifted me some other stickers. I'm not even sure if this is the one that was in there. I think so, but she gave me some gold heart stickers, so perfect for Valentine's. And then she gave me the Noteworthy from Aria's Garden. So super, super cute. I love this collection. And this is also from that collection. And then here's another paper that she decorated. I mean, look at the beautiful florals, you guys. Oh my gosh. Then she gifted me some Bo Bunny dies. Oh my goodness. Civ is the best. So she was thinking of me and got some of these dies. So here's the Sweetheart die. And there's the SKU number. Hopefully that's picking it up there. If you're interested. She got this one for me, which is the clock. TikTok it's called. And look at this one. How cute is that tree? Perfect, right? For Valentine's Day. And then look at the stars. This one has stars. Oh my gosh, so pretty. So this one only has the item number, so I don't know. But this is how the die cuts come out. They come out in that pattern. How pretty. So thank you so much. This was just too generous, Civ. I can't even thank you enough. You spoiled me. She totally spoiled me. So, and I love the way you packaged everything. She also gave me some more Christmas. Let me just put this aside. She gave me some more Christmas gifts. And from the Merry Days, and I have got to use this collection because now she gave me some more tags. Yay! Love, love, love. And the twine I absolutely love. So this is from the Merry Days collection by Crate Paper. And then look, she also gave me these puffy stickers. I can't wait to use them. So cute. I couldn't remember if I picked this up or not because I want to say I couldn't find this one, but thank you for that. And then look how cute this is. She gave me some, it's an ugly socks, which I didn't even know you can get ugly socks. I only know the ugly sweaters. But isn't this adorable? It's a little kit and you can design your own. So it comes with the socks and then the glue and also some decorations, ribbon and pom-poms, things like that, that you can use to design. Isn't that adorable? Oh my gosh, I absolutely love it. Here's the SKU number in case you want to know. I think it looks like it's from Target, so if you're interested, I guess you can maybe look at that number. Okay. And then she also, see what I mean? She spoiled me. She also gave me this box of goodies. And look, you guys, she decorated it. She put Happymailqueen. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much for taking the time to do that. My packaging is not so great, you guys. I just did not have time anymore well, I'm not done yet, so I'm gonna have to get you back, girly. Look how cute. And she said she used Jaded Blossom, I believe, dye for this to make the globe. And then she used the Merry Days. And then look, how cute is that? She did a little stamp die cut there. And then she gave me, this is just the packaging, but let me just show you how pretty that is. I think she had the stickers in here, so I already had taken it out. And I love these. Thank you so much for giving me some of those, Civ. And then look how pretty. She also gifted me, and she made a little set. So just to give you guys more ideas, I'm definitely inspired. She gave me a set of, what are these? Are these 3x3 cards? Maybe? I'm not sure if that's the size, but they kind of look like it. With the envelopes. Look, you guys, she took the time to make the little envelopes, and she decorated them for me, the cards. So pretty. She gave me a set of 3. I love these. So really great ideas. Great ideas, right? And then she put it in this little caddy. So cute. That is just beautiful. I love it. She decorated this pillow box. And again, this is a Jaded Blossom die she said that she used, which I absolutely love this die. And she gave me some chocolates. Yum. Little Santa chocolates in there. She really spoiled me. Oops, this came off, but this, hold on, was like this. And I think this is another... Is this another Jaded Blossom topper? I think so. But really cute. And she gave me some chocolate, marshmallow covered, milk chocolate covered marshmallows. And thank you so much for this, because like I said, I haven't gone to Tuesday morning, so I never did pick up any of these. So thank you so much. I'm not going to take it out, you guys, but she gifted me some of the cards, card sets with the envelopes. So isn't that pretty? Oh, you did an awesome job with the packaging. And this was wrapped as well, I believe. Yes, she had this wrapped in some wrapping paper again, which I ended up tearing up. So thank you so much, Civ. How cute that box is. Some die cuts. Some more Bow Bunny. Look at the snowflakes. How pretty. Thank you, thank you. And then this. Oh my goodness, I love it. This is part of the Merry Days, you guys. And she redid the packaging here. The topper. How pretty. And then this is another packaging. She had something in here. But look how pretty this is. And this paper is the Graphic 45 paper. And then the box looks like that on the inside. Isn't that pretty? Oh my goodness. So thank you so much, Civ. It was so nice to see you again. Civ lives like an hour and a half away from me, so we don't get together too often, but it's always fun to meet up with her. And girl, this is just amazing. amazing Happy Mail. Thank you so much. I so appreciate your friendship and your generosity, and I just heart you, girl. Thank you so much. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and I'll talk to you guys later. Stay tuned for a small haul from TJ Maxx, and that'll be coming up soon. If not tonight, then tomorrow. So I'll talk to you guys later. Enjoy your evening or morning. Bye for now.